Hey there, everybody. I hope you're having a good day. It's early in the morning, some kind of whispery, because Chris is still asleep downstairs, which is right below my studio. But I gotta show you guys. I got a box from the mystery woman, Laurie B. Laurie B sends me things, and then for her return address, she puts my address. And it's like, oh my goodness. And she's so mysterious and so wonderful. So I'm very tickled this morning. I'm just having some coffee and unpacking a big box that she sent, so I thought we'd do it together. I couldn't wait. So I've already started cutting up some things to use in pockets. I just couldn't wait. She also sent some headline cutouts. And I'm thinking, these would be great as journal prompts. And I've got a big book that I've been working on. And I'm thinking, just wouldn't these make great journal prompts? I'm going to glue them into the book and just see what happens from there. We'll do that in another video. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, let's drag the box over. I'm not going to drag the box over because I think that would kind of, that would be, hold on, take you out just a little bit. It's also a bit dark. There we go. One more light. Look at these beautiful, that's the sample. A cruel weave. I am just shocked at look at that. That almost looks like sari. Like sari fabric. Oh, this beautiful fabric. Look at this, is a huge piece. From the collection of Jasmine and Jade. Is that not just extraordinary? Okay, so I'm sticking these in my fabric pile over here. And it's almost like she knew exactly what I was working on. We have a recollections paper pad right here. Another one here. Another one here. This is lovely. This is a 49 Market Sky mini collection that is just gorgeous. We have vellum quote stacks. I've always loved these things. I think they're so super cool. When this one's Christmas, that'll be so neat. She sent some cardstock. It's crazy. It's almost like she jumped in my head and knew exactly what I was working on. Okay, we've got more fabrics. I'm going to put this over with the paper. And then she put in a surprise. I think that she knew I was going to the grocery store today. So there was like a little surprise in here too. Look at that. Isn't that just beautiful? Oh, Laurie. Good gracious. Oh my gosh. Yeah, the woman knows my heart. She knows how much I love a Sharpie. Oh, I'm always so excited to have nice Sharpies. It's simple things. It's simple things like a nice Sharpie, a good hot cup of coffee. Mia's been sick, so now she's feeling much better. So a healthy dog. All these things are just so important in life. So precious and wonderful. Okay, this is from Oriental Trading Company. A boxed accordion pocket album. This has not been open. Let's see what this says. Oh, I didn't quite get it. Morning, babe. Okay, Chris is up and he's got band practice early today, so I'm gonna shuffle through this quickly. I can talk now. Holy cow, look at that. Have you ever seen one like this, y'all? That is super cool. It's got pockets in it. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to do something with that. That just kind of like begs for collage. I love sticky notes. And some tape. Oh, look at this. Oh, these are such pretty Prima flowers. And I tell you, I have not had Prima flowers in like forever and ever. Oh my goodness. And they're so pretty in their little jar. Oh, gorgeous. Whoa. I am so sorry, y'all. So sorry. These are acrylic, water-based giant marker. Does anybody have any experience with these? These look like fun. Oh, look at this. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. Very fall-ish. Oh, that's just lovely. Look at this. Wow. Doesn't that look just like Grandma's house with her rose-colored sofa or her pillows? Oh, nice, a magazine. Let's put this downstairs. Okay, I'm going to shuffle this off over here. There's still so much left. Oh my gosh. Look at this. It's not a paper pad, it's a paper slab. It's a slab-o paper. Good gracious. Holy cow, y'all. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I've never seen a paper slab before. There's more paper in here. Oh, I love that. That's so pretty. Ooh, I'm sorry, y'all. I keep doing that. Don't mean to. Beautiful teal, brown. Okay, I think I'm going to have to cut the box. So I have to tell y'all, I had like $3.81 left on the gift card to Michael's, and I was heading off to Michael's today to buy paper. But now I don't have to. Look at that. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, we're almost to the bottom of the box. Good gracious. Oh, this one's super pretty too, y'all. Look at that. Oh, sorry. I think I've got it turned the wrong way. Oop, there we go. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that is just gorgeous paper. Well, Laurie B, you know, once again, my mysterious benefactor has knocked it out of the park again. Laurie, thank you so much. When Chris came in with that box last night, he said, "You've got a really heavy box." And I was like, "Oh boy." I knew that it was a Lori box because they're always heavy. Lori, thank you for being an art angel. I really do appreciate it because that's truly like what it is. I've had so many beautiful people step in and be art angels, and I'm always ever grateful. Laurie, I'm beyond words. Please take this as a thank you, since I have no idea where you are or where you live or anything like that, or your address. So I can't write you a proper Southern girl thank you, but thank you so much. Already using it, already putting it into crafty things. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a great day, y'all. I hope that your day is full of wonderful surprises, dear friends. And sometimes we have to kind of look for those surprises, but that's okay. Be aware of miracles.